What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again, back at Watts once again. Let's go ahead and see what's going on inside this outlet. So we're here at the outlet where you get 20 and 20 off the back wall. 20% off of this, plus you get an additional 20% off, which is dope too. We're here at the outlet, so let's see what's going on. Outlet's been very tricky lately. Outlet's been really suspect lately. Having some deals, but a lot of times stuff is priced at retail price point with a small discount. So let's see if something changes with this 20 and 20. Pretty clean right there. Two Zion 2s. See what we got over here, 20 and 20. Pretty dope here. 179 for those still. Ooh, what are these? KD 15. 50 years of hip hop. Still full retail with the extra 20% off on that, or 40% off actually. Had to remember it's 40%, not 20%. Got some more of the golf shoes. Then we got some of these down here. The LeBron 20 next gen, one of the better colorways, still full retail 160. Then we got a another Jordan here, full box on the back wall with 20% off. What are these? Drum roll please. Oh, it's this colorway. Brand new pair too, not like tried on. This is definitely one of the dope colorways of the Jordan 37 low. Personally, in my personal opinion, they do have them here full box with the 40% off. Size 8, 195, so still full retail. And then we got these, the next gen LeBron 20s. Colorway is definitely not bad. Then we got some other bangers right here. Size 7 for $200 for the Jordan 2s though. Still full retail, but you get the 40 off. Jordan High Golf. Haven't even seen this colorway before, like in person. What do you guys think about this? $90 with 20% off. Pretty clean. Jordan 1 Golf, pretty clean.
Someone's gonna watch this and they bought a size 11.
Yeah, yeah, for real, bro. Damn, that's crazy, bro. Cause you know what? You never know what you find in here. And they had a shoe for sure that I wanted, but it's not my size. But what do you guys think about these right here? 110, 40% off. Yeah, he just showed me a retro. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. That it's one that I want for my collection, and I was like, "What size is it?" But it wasn't my size. Thank goodness, because I didn't want to spend for it right now, but I couldn't pass it up for that price point. Luckily, it wasn't my size though. 97s. Now these right here are very interesting Jordan 1 lows. Starting to see these at Burlington. I don't know how many people out there really like these. If you're somebody who's a fan of these or own some in your collection, let us know in the comments below. More of those Jordan lows, and then we got like a few pair of these Jordan 2 Chicago, size 8.5, and then we got a size 10 right here. Dope to see that, bro.
Look at that. I'm stealing Bossco's idea. Look at that. All those freaking 20 and 20.
Look, cool came and found some heat too, man. This right here was a Jordan I was talking about a little earlier. If this was a size 13, I would have to go ahead and grab it, bro. 40 and 40 or 20 and 20, 40% off of this with the retail price point. That would have been sick to have. But unfortunately, they don't have it in size 13. This is a size 11. Then we got the Jordan 2s, this cool gray colorway, and then the Palominos, man. Not surprised to see these Palominos here, but it's just crazy to see recent retro releases at the outlet, and you get 40% off of them, bro. Oh, you can leave them down. I'm gonna get my vertical video too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, because I was gonna do each one separate.
Unity here, refurbished, 85 bucks for a size 11. That's actually a good steal. So 85 bucks for a new silhouette, and you get 40% off of this. 20% off the back wall plus an extra 20%. That's insane right there, bro. We just gonna let this thing record. I'm gonna have to just edit it a different way because there's just so much stuff here. GT 180. The only thing is everything is still full retail, but you're getting that 40 off. So that's what kind of makes it a little different. They're trying to put the dope colorways on all these other Jordan shoes. Jordan Stay Loyal 2, 84 bucks with 20% off or 40% off. That's bananas right there too. Penny Hardaways. This is definitely a dope colorway. 11.5, 180. You get that discount as well on those. Jordan 37 hairs, 93 bucks, refurbished. What else we got over here? Cosmic Unities, once again, another refurbished one, size 13 for 80 bucks. Never tried these on, so let's go ahead and see what these look like on feet. Size 15 though. These Jordan 7s was definitely dope and slept on. Reminds me of ACG vibes. You can get these for retail with 40% off. But like I said, they're the size 15, so we're gonna leave those. Might see these at Ross pretty soon. Let's go ahead and try these on real quick. Never try. Let me unlace these and prep these, and we're gonna try these on. Cosmic Unity, definitely a dope shoe. I've always wanted to see what this was talking about. How does this look compared to my Gill Zero Resto Mod? But we're gonna try this on real quick. Oh, okay. Okay. Having this on feet, let me tell you, I like the way this shoe looks on my foot. I wear a size 13 sometimes. 13 look extra big on my feet. I don't think that's the case with this Cosmic Unity 3. I actually like the way this thing feels. These is kind of hard, especially for casual wear too. These are fire. I like the Cosmic Unity 3s. And like I said before, these should be somebody's signature shoe, bro, to be honest with you. But let me know what y'all think in comparison on feet between the two shoes, which one looks better. But the Cosmic Unity 3s are not bad, bro. These are not bad at all. After trying these things on, I'm definitely a fan of the Cosmic Unity. I already said the shoe looked dope. I like some of the colorways. This is definitely one of the colorways I do like. And this silhouette is on point. Tried out on feet. True to size feel felt good. I didn't hoop in them, but I wore them for casual. True to size is definitely on point for these. Let me know what you guys think about the Cosmic Unity 3, and have you tried the 2 or the regular Cosmic Unity? Give me the feedback, of course, in the comments below. Yeah, I'm sold on this colorway right here, bro. Colorway's dope, shoe looks nice, and it's great on my feet, bro. Might have to take these home. Down here, first time actually seeing these in hand. Heard about them, but never got a chance to really see the Griffey cleats in hand. Pretty dope colorway for these. If I play baseball, this might be something I rock with. Got like that freshwater colorway on the swoosh and the side panel. Full retail, but you get that 20 and 20 off. Got the Griffey logo on the back. Can't go wrong with these, bro. Got Kutrain on the Palominos real quick, the 3s.
Get it at that price,
right? Why not, bro?
120 something.
Decisions, bro.
Bittersweet, man.
Right?
Bittersweet.
Got these Air Force Ones, big size here, 14, 150 with 40% off. Jordan 1 mids here, size 14, 125 with the 40% off. Then we got these here. Don't recall seeing this colorway. Normally 130 down to 89 bucks. Don't think you get no discount with these, but these are definitely on point here. I ain't never seen this before at the outlets, even though it's not really surprising, I guess, but a Nike Panda. Pandas is even at the outlets chilling, size 15. What the hell? 110 with 40% off? Yeah, I'm more so shocked at the fact that they are even here at the outlet. This is a size 15. It's a brand new pair. It's not refurbished. 110, still full retail with the extra 20% off, but then you get another 20% off once you get to the register. Pretty crazy, bro. Like I said, they had a full size run of these two, 89 for 125, a Dodger blue colorway. But then we got these Jordan 1 High Fly East in the Court Purple colorway. This is actually black, wild berry, and white as a color scheme. This colorway is not too bad. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments. I like the fact that they have these zipper here, obviously for disabled people and stuff. But I like that feature regardless. They got a pretty good size run of them here. Still regular retail of 150. Got the Afro Beats in the full size run here. Still 2 full retail, of course. They got a pretty good size run of them here. All sizes available for the most part when it comes to men's sizing, which is dope to see, bro. A lot of retros here for the back wall and with the full box, which is dope. Bread colorway of the Nike SB Alley-Oop, down at 69 bucks on those. Whenever I see these, I think these are something else. The Nike Emerald MD Royal Blue colorway, pretty dope. They got these Sakai's, man. Sakai's have been popping up at a lot of outlets. I seen these here last time. 170 full retail, but you guys can see they got a full size run of them too for both colorways. Can't go wrong with the Sakai's. Then they got this one here, which I don't know if this was here the last time it came. I think it was too. 89 bucks as opposed to 120. Crazy to see so many of these hype shoes at one point available here at the outlet. They got them again for 69 as opposed to 120. These come with a crazy box. What do you guys think about these? The box itself, the packaging is on point. You guys know what shoe this is? Drum roll. What the hell is going on with this? What is this? Oh, okay. Not a fan of this shoe myself. Let me know what you guys think about these. Size 7 here in hand. These are on sale, $109 as opposed to $140. The box, like I said, is probably the best thing about this shoe. Let me know what you guys think about the box design. Me doing my retail arbitrage thing, you guys know, in Bobby Thrift, came across these, man. Size 3 on these for $90, though they're robbing us for the price. $90? That's crazy. Thumbnail action. These two have been paired up, but most of the times I find them, they're in size 18, 19, 17. This right here, grade school size 6 or small size 6 for $50. This looks like more something to grab and take with me. But if you guys want to see the results, go ahead and check out Bobby Thrift, you dig? FAMU stuff. Howard University, a lot of the college stuff, you know, United States. Pretty simple stuff. Florida A&M shirts. We do got a soccer jersey of some sort right here. This Liverpool, FC Barcelona, something like that. Normally something down to $95 with the 20 and 20 off, which is definitely dope. Let's go ahead and see what else is going on. So apparently these are the shoes that you might be able to find. They got sizes left in them. I think this is the Billie Eilish colorway. There was like 4 other colorways that came out. This one's not too bad. $140 on the retail. They also have that colorway too for the Billie Eilish situation. Plus they got this Nocta shoe, the Drake Nike shoe. Not a bad shoe, but it's kind of trash at the same time. They still got the Air Force One. Undefeated, as we went by Undefeated today for that crazy ass line. Undefeated had a really big sale today. We did drive by it, but the line was just too long. I did not feel like waiting in it. If you guys went to the Undefeated thing, the warehouse, the 80% off sale, let me know what happened, what you guys come up with. Let me know what you guys did in the Discord. Yeah, but this colorway is dope, not too bad. $149 as opposed to $160. Then they got the Billie Eilish shoe, $160. They do have sizes. We just seen it on display. They have sizes left for this Air Force One. The materials on here, definitely not bad. Let me know if you guys are a fan of these. $140 on the retail. Box is not too bad either. Shout out to Billie Eilish. And then they got her other shoe here too, and they have them in sizes. $149. Air Force One Low SPUC with all this extra stuff going on the back of the shoe. Tell me if you guys are a fan of this or not. $129 as opposed to $165. Gore-Tex, so it must have some good Gore-Tex leather. Got an extra sock liner in there too. We're getting into regular retail store prices. $169 with 40% off. $125 with 40% off. Pretty clean right there. 20% off with the extra 20% off. Look what we find here. Finally finding them at a decent price point. They still have them listed here, full retail $200, but you take 40% off of that and you're in the game. So we have those. Then we got these, very recent release of the Jordan 2, Jordan 1 Low, UNC to Chicago, $140 with 40% off. 2 dope finds on the women's section. And did you guys go after these? Really good quality on this Jordan 1 Low. Really good quality on these. 2 pretty good finds as far as retros and for the women out there. For the ladies, they do have the Jordan 2 Low, or grade school actually, marked down to $139 7Y, and you get the 40% off of these 2 if I'm not mistaken, because it's the 97 ending. So you get the 40% off of these 2, which is actually pretty dope right here. Let me know what you guys think about these. Full size run of them, at least for grade school, full size run. Under retail with 40% off on that. That's definitely a good find right there too. Never seen these Air Force Ones. Look at the material, got like a reptile print. Leather quality definitely seems on point. These are here for $130, black and white color scheme. I'm not mad at these at all, bro. $65 for the 2017s. Some black and white, or white and black Air Max 90s here for the women. Still retail $130. Nike Air Max Command in a couple colorways, or this one is actually the only colorway. Actually 2 colorways, but I like this one. $94 as opposed to $120. They got the black and white ones here, same price, $94.99 as opposed to $120. Go ahead down this basketball aisle and see what's going on here. Oh, we got the Zoom Freak 4, $74 with 20% off, and I think you get an extra 20% off. These right here are dirt cheap right now. That's crazy. This might be a retail arbitrage situation. Jordan Jumpman 21. Now, I have not seen this colorway for the shoe. Normally 110 down to 94 bucks. Let me know if you guys are a fan of this. This colorway is definitely on point though. Don't recall seeing these actually released. I feel like these look like some other shoes out there. I don't remember this one actually dropping though. Reminds me of a couple other Jordan silhouettes out there. Kind of looks like the Cosmic Unity 3 also. And a Lucas shoe. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments below. What do you guys think about the Jordan Access? $49 on these or $94 on these? A little bit too high. Look like they have some pretty good materials though. Got Jordan 37s down to $149 with a pretty good size run of them too. Then we got these right here, which I don't, are these the Rui Hachimura? I think they might be. Rui Hachimura, pretty good size run, $149 as opposed to $185. No sign of getting an extra 20, maybe just an extra 20, not an extra 40 on those. Men's sizes, 89 bucks on the Luka 1 Oreo colorway. I do have a review on my channel for this shoe. Not a bad shoe at all. Very comfortable, 89 bucks with an extra 20% off. And One Take 4 Westbrook shoe, new one on the way. Let me know if you guys are a fan of this colorway, 79 bucks. We've seen these in stores, a few different retail stores. This colorway, this color tone, I've seen them both in Nike, Foot Locker, as well as the outlets too. But one thing that's crazy is I've also found these at Ross. I've been seeing these at Ross very recently for a low price. It definitely makes me pause on grabbing it here at the Nike outlet, but sometimes you might not find the sizes at Ross, so it's like a give and go. Might have to search a little harder for the sizes at those discount stores when you can easily find it at the outlet, but the price might be hella cheaper. So you really got to make that decision on yourself. It's just crazy to see stuff like this. And these too, I like this colorway. I feel like these might go with my Travis Scotts, but I feel like I could also find them at the outlet pretty soon, or at Ross pretty soon, or at the outlet, either one. Well, we're at an outlet now, but I just feel like I can find it somewhere else for cheaper. So I'm gonna hold off on them, but I do like that like wash denim feature. Pretty dope situation. If they have one left or a couple sizes left, I don't see them on the aisles, but the Rui Hachimura Jordan 8s, and then they do have some of the Green Bean 5 still, or at least a Green Bean 5 here. We got Cool Kicks right here about to pick up some heat. Check out his channel if you guys want to know what he found at the store. Came up on those Jordan 3 Palominos, paid a crazy price for them. You guys got to find out his video to see how much he actually paid, but were they already marked down originally?
No, it's a regular
so regular retail.
Got the 20.
Yeah, so go ahead and watch his video to find out how much he got them for and everything else that he came across in this outlet, you dig?